People First Language, celebrating everyone for who they are. What is People First Language? According to Snow 2016, People First Language puts the person before the disability and describes what a person has, not who a person is. Why is it important? It focuses on the strengths of the person, it decreases barriers, and it empowers people. Why is it important? Improper use of language can devalue a person's existence. People First Language demonstrates good manners and respect. People First Language emphasizes abilities and not limitations. People want to feel important, like they have a place and a purpose in the world. By using People First Language, it shows respect to all and makes everyone feel valued. People want to be recognized for what they can do, rather than what they cannot do. Table of examples for proper and improper use of Person First Language. On the left, for instead of, these are going to be examples that have shown up in the building. And on the right is going to be what we can replace them with. So for the examples that have shown up in the building, instead of handicapped kid, say person with a disability. Instead of Bob is crazy, say Bob has a mental illness. Instead of that kid is slow, say Charlie has a cognitive impairment. Instead of John makes a lot of noise, say John has Tourette's syndrome. Instead of is that kid in SPED, say does Rachel receive special education services. This is putting the person before the disability and recognizing that they're human before stating their impairments. And these are the references that I used. Thanks for watching.